Yes, check my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait, I will share my screen. Now here I'll go for share PPT directly, not PPT, PDF file.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yeah, the PDF file is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now solve this problem. Okay, take 5 minutes time. Read the problem once or twice. Understand it. Balancing cases it will come. Now according to the given problem, okay, one of your friends told that. So it comes under balancing of several masses rotating in the different length. Now write the given data. Next we'll go for write the plane position and angular position. So once you draw the plane position, first write the given data. MA, MB, MC, MD, RA, RB, RC, RD. At the same time, write the theta A is unknown, theta B, theta C, theta D. Now, which one is considered as a horizontal? On the x-axis, which masses will come here horizontal? That is important. Read the problem here. The planes containing masses B and C are 300 meter apart. The angle between the planes containing B and C is 90 degree. And B and C makes an angle of 210 degree and 120 degree respectively with the D in the same sense. Now, which one you consider as a horizontal position? Yes, unmute yourself and discuss with me. Okay. Yeah, which one you consider in a horizontal position, in the plane position? In the plane position, one is B, another one is C. In the figure number A, B is here, C is here. The distance between B and C is 300 meter apart. We don't know where the plane A and plane D will come. Okay. Now we go for write the plane position in the order A, B, C, D. We don't know where the plane A, where the plane D will come. Okay, write the plane position A, B, C, D. But distance between B, C is how much? 300 meter apart. That is the plane position. Then similarly go for write the angular position of the masses. Now for angular position of masses, now which one will consider as a horizontal position here? Which one you consider, whether the mass B is horizontal, C is horizontal, D is horizontal, or A is horizontal? Yes, we will give the answer for this. So try to give the answer. We'll check. We want to
We can consider B as horizontal, sir.
if you take B is a horizontal, okay, B
Yes,
to
sir.
C can easily draw 90 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Then B and C makes an angle of 210 degree and 120 degree with respect to D.
D.
With respect to
Okay.
D. Now, which is the
Respect to D.
horizontal? Which one you consider the horizontal? On the horizontal line, on the
D.
x
Oh,
line? Which mass?
Sir, D.
Or B, is it possible? If you consider A is a theta A is unknown. That A is not possible. Either go for take B, C, or D. Which one?
Sir, D.
D. Yes, right now. See that? Either consider is a B is horizontal, no problem. Also you can represent. If you consider D is also horizontal, that also possible. Okay. Yes, I think you know how to draw the plane position. B and C, we know the distance between B and C 300 mm, but A and D we don't know. We write in the order A, B, C, D only. Okay, right? Now we'll go for take the plane position. Either consider B or C or D. Anyone you can consider. Okay, but here in this in the problem we consider B. If you take D also, it's possible. Okay, you'll get same answer. Now this is a plane angular position B, C, D, and A is unknown. We don't know where A it comes. Take it as theta A. Right? Over. Is any doubt? Any doubt regarding this plane position and angular position? This is for a space diagram, front view and side view. Over. Now after this, now we go for construct a table. How do you construct a table? Before you construct a table, first you take the reference plane. Which is the reference plane? How many masses are unknown in this problem? Yes, how many masses are unknown?
1, sir.
Yeah, only one
MA.
mass, that is MA is unknown. Now, which one you consider as a reference plane? Either you consider reference plane as a B, C, D. Any these three plane, the masses are known masses, will consider as a reference plane. Either consider as a B, C, or D. Here for this problem, I'll consider reference plane as B. Once you consider reference plane as B, now from the reference plane towards the right direction, all are called as a positive plane. Towards left direction, will called as a left plane are called as negative planes. Now we go for construct the table. In the first column in the table, planes. How do you take the planes? Plane A, B, C, D. In this order only, you go for construct the table. I think it is visible. Now the table is
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we go for construct the table. First column it is planes. Plane A, B, C, D. Then write the masses. Masses in kg, radius of rotation, angular position with respect to horizontal line. Which is a horizontal line here? The B, mass B considers a horizontal. For this problem, I consider mass B. We can consider D also is possible. Okay. Even C is also possible. if you want, you can try to solve in different method. Okay, but finally you will get the same answer. Next, fifth column, centrifugal force divided by omega square, that is m into r in kg meter, distance from reference plane, then couple divided by omega square, that is m into r into L in kg meter square. First you write the columns, then you go for fill this table. Then consider planes A, B, C, D. In that plane B is the reference plane. Right, mass mb is the reference masses, or the plane, the mass contained, the mass B contained on the plane B, that is a reference plane. Right, right here rp is right here, rp stands for what? Reference plane. Then fill this table. Now ma is unknown, mb 30, mc 50, md is 40. Again, radius of rotation that given in millimeter, I think, right? Yeah, convert into millimeter into meter, or you can kept in millimeter also, no problem, but better go for convert into meter. So convert into meter, RA, RB, RC, RD is given. Again, theta A is unknown, because theta A, MA is both are unknown. Then with B is considered as a horizontal. On X direction it is located. With respect to B2, theta B is equal to 0. Theta C, with respect to horizontal, it is theta C is 90 degree. Then theta D is how much? 210 degree. And theta A is unknown. Theta is unknown, 0, 90, 210. Next, centrifugal force by omega square, m into r. Multiply the third column and the fourth column. Here, radius, sorry, second and third column, sorry, make it correction. If you want to get fifth column, multiply second and third column, m into r. Now MA is unknown, 0.18 into MA, 30 into 0.24, you'll get 7.2, 50 into 0.12, we'll get 6 kg meter, 40 into 0.15, we'll get 6 kg meter. Right? The fifth column over. Next, here consider the reference plane as a B. Now, B is the reference plane, the distance from reference plane, the B is 0 here. Now the A will come towards the left of the reference plane, that is minus LA, LA is unknown. BC, C will come towards right side of the plane B, that is 300 millimeter converted into meter, 0.3 meter. Again, D also will consider as the right side of the reference plane, that is LD is also unknown. Now then you go for last column, seventh column is seventh column, so couple divided by omega square. Then just multiply fifth and sixth column, m into r into L, kg meter square. Now 0.18 into MA into minus LA, you'll get minus 0.18 MA into LA. Now force is there for reference plane, but distance is 0. You get 0 magnitude. 6 into 0.3, 1.8, 6 into LD, 6 into LD you get. Now once you complete the table, then you tell me that once your table is constructed, then we'll go for further. Until that, we'll not go for next step. Those who completed, say yes, we completed. Otherwise,
Yes. Yes, sir. Completed.
complete. You get the same values. What you see
Yes,
in
sir.
the screen, same values are there.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, those who completed, now check. Now which one polygon will draw? Whether go for force polygon or couple polygon. Now we will give the answer for this.
Force polygon.
Yeah, force polygon. Why do you go for draw force polygon?
Only one mass is unknown.
Yeah, only one unknowns are there in that. That's why you go for first you draw the force polygon. In couple polygon, two unknowns are there. 2 or 3 unknowns are there. MA is unknown, LA is also unknown, LD is also unknown. More than 2 unknowns are there here. That's why we'll not go for draw First couple polygon. First we'll go for draw first polygon. In the first polygon, only one unknown is there, that is MA. Right? Yeah. Those who constructed the table, then go for construct, go for plot the first polygon. For first polygon, again, what is the scale you're going to choose, ma? See the values: 7.26336, 7.266 kg meter is there. What is the scale you are going to choose? Yes? You give me response. Is it possible to take 1:1 or reduced scale?
Sir, 1:1.
Yeah, 1:1. Go ahead, 1:1, or you can take reduced scale 2:1 also possible. Now this is the reason why we consider reference plane as a, see, if you consider reference plane as a plane A, it is impossible to find distance between reference plane and B, and reference plane and C, and reference plane and D. That's why for that, if you consider reference plane as a plane B, then it is easy to find LA, LD by drawing a couple polygon. That's why we selected a reference plane as a B. Or remember that note also. Now here for first polygon, I consider a 1:1 scale. Means 1 kg meter is equal to 1 centimeter. Then you go ahead first polygon. Consider this x-axis from point O and y-axis. Then you see the table. According to the table, you go for construct. Yes, you go for construct. If you go for minimize it, it become a small value. Okay. According to the, see the table, then you go for construct the polygon. Yes, I think both you can see here, right? Both the table and the first polygon.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now go ahead. Now first one, for first mass A, 0.18 MeA is unknown magnitude and orientation also unknown. First one you can't draw here. Go for second one. Second mass here, MB. Magnitude is known, 7.2. What is the orientation is? 0 degree. Now first draw a x line, x axis and y axis. The intersection of x and y you get horizon. From the horizon draw a 0 degree line. On the 0 degree line is a 7.2. The plus or minus. Plus is there, means towards x direction you draw the 0 degree line. Along the 0 degree line measure here 1:1 scale you choose a 7.2 centimeter. On the 0 degree line measure 7.2. Now we'll get point O already we get. Point A you will get. OA line shows the magnitude of MBRB, means 7.2 kg meter. That is equal to 7.2 centimeter. And we are moving from O to A. Arrow mark here towards A. Now 7.2 over. Any doubt regarding that? First vector line, first polygon line. Similarly, go for second one. Mass C, MC. We know both magnitude and orientation. Magnitude is how much? 6 kg meter. Orientation it is 90 degree. From point A, draw a 90 degree line or parallel to what we draw in the space diagram or angular position. On the 90 degree line, how much you're going to measure here? 6 kg meter, nothing but 6 centimeter. Then you'll get point B. The length of the line AB shows MCRC. MCRC is how much? 6 kg meter, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Now arrow mark is moving from A to B upward. Once you get point B, next, what is the next one is MD. The D mass MD, magnitude also known 6 kg meter. Orientation is how much? 210 degree. From point B, draw a 210 degree line. Or in space diagram, angular position. See the where is mass D is located here. Draw a line which is parallel to the mass D, orientation mass D from the point B here. Along that line, 210 degree line, how much you are going to measure here? 6 kg meter. Nothing but 1:1 scale. 6 kg meter is equal to 6 centimeter. On the 210-degree line, measure 6 centimeter. Now we'll get point C. Now it become a open force polygon. Now I want to make it closed. Then join that point C to where is the starting point of the vector. Starting point of the force polygon, it is O. Draw a line. Join the line CO. Point C and point O. There's a dashed line. That gives a resultant force polygon is 0. That gives a resultant resultant forces MA, which is unknown here, mass A 0.18 MA or MA RA, that is unknown. That's only the unknown thing here. The joint CO, the CO, see from the force polygon, the vectors OC or CO is equal to MA RA. Measure it is in terms of centimeter, 3.7 centimeter. We have 1:1 scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kg meter. Then substitute here. Then finally RA value is how much? 0.18 is there. Finally MA is equal to how much you got? 20.56 kg. We may get plus or minus 5% error. You may get 19 kg. You may get also 21 or 21.5 also you will get. Those values are acceptable. Plus or minus 5% values are acceptable because it is a graphical method. Manual or instrumental errors will be there. Once you get MA, then what is theta A? From the point C, draw a horizontal line. With respect to horizontal line, measure the OC line, a CO line. How much you get? 180 plus 55 will get 235 degree. Let's check whether you got the same value or not.
Sir, exactly same value.
Oh, yes, MA, how much you got?
MAs are doing, sir, not a done.
Oh, okay, ma'am. So once you get, then you tell me the answer.
Sir, 20.56.
X, how much you got? Let's repeat your answer.
20.56.
20 point?
20.56.
How exact you got? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. And theta also, A also you calculate. Then those who completed force polygon, then you go for rather transfer that MA and theta A value to the table. To the table you transfer, then you go for calculate. See the couple polygon. Then you go for draw the couple polygon. Okay. Those who completed, they can tell me the answer. If you not practice, you will not understand the things. Yes, Abdul Wasim is there. Abdul Wasim.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's your US number, man? Abdul
Sir,
Wasim.
42, sir. 42, sir.
42. K. Abdul Wasim.
Yes, sir. 42.
Put your US number.
One is J18ME042.
Next, whenever you log, you should put your
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Anybody has finished? Yes. All of you get the same value, MA, theta A value.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we go for draw the couple polygon. Again, couple polygon. Again, two unknowns are there, right? Yes. Think and draw the couple polygon. Couple polygon should be a closed one. There should be closed one from these three values, from mass A, mass C, mass D. See, the orientation is already know that theta A as we calculated earlier. Theta A is unknown. That's why we can't draw the couple polygon first. Now theta A already determined from the force polygon. Next theta C, theta D already we know that. Now we go for draw the couple polygon. Now see the couple polygon. Now what is the scale again you're going to choose here? 1.8, 6 times of LD is there, 0.18. You go for take 1:1 also possible. If you take 1:1 it becomes too big. For that what I will do, I will take 0.5 kg meter square is equal to 1 centimeter. Then you see the couple polygon here. First draw the x-axis line, y-axis line. Then after that, now which one you select here? First to select the first one, mass MA is unknown here, right? Second one, 0 magnitude. Third one, first to go start with third one, MC, RC, LC. Magnitude is known, 1.8. What is the theta C? 90 degree. See that. From the point here, x-axis, y-axis, from the origin, draw a 90-degree line. Along means y-axis. Along the 90-degree line, how much you are going to measure here? 1.8 kg meter square, nothing but how much? 3.6 centimeter, right? 3.6 centimeter you measure here. Now we'll get point A dash. O dash, A dash shows MC, RC, LC. From A dash, see what is the next after that? Mass C, mass D. Mass D 6 LD, magnitude is unknown, but we know the direction. Yes or no? We know the direction. Now draw a 210-degree line. From point A, draw a 210-degree line. On both sides you draw. From A dash upper side also you draw. From lower side also you draw the 210-degree line. Are parallel to the mass D. Once you draw in the space diagram, just draw a line parallel to mass D. From point A, draw that line parallel to here, parallel to mass D, 210-degree line. But we don't know magnitude and direction, right? MD, RD, LD is unknown. On both sides you draw here. But the couple polygon, if you say couple polygon should be closed one, then you go for after 1.68 over 6 LD, magnitude is unknown, but orientation we know that. What is the next one is minus 0.18 MA, but magnitude is unknown. What about orientation here? 235 degree. From where you draw that? You start from point 4 because it should be a closed polygon. From O dash, draw a 235-degree line or parallel to what we measured in the space diagram theta A, parallel to that. 2 minutes. Bande. From the point O dash, draw a line 235-degree line or parallel to in the space diagram, draw that line on both sides. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, from the point O dash, draw a 230-degree line or parallel to mass MA, theta A, that line, the magnitude is unknown, but the whatever that MDRDLD and MARALA, that those two lines meet at a point. That point you call as a B dash. Now measure A dash B dash. The length shows MDRDLD. That is what? MDRDLD is nothing but 6 times of LD it is. Similarly, measure O dash B dash, that shows MARALA. How much it is? That is a minus 0.18 times of MALA. Now see the from the couple polygon, see the vector A dash B dash, that is MDRDLD, that is how much you got? I think 4.2 centimeter you got, or 4.7 centimeter you got. The negative sign because of MDRD is radially inward. Okay, later we'll discuss that one. Okay, now multiply the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 kg meter. Multiply here. Now we'll get that 2 minus 2.35 kg meter square. Now substitute RD value, MD value. LD is determined. LD is how much you got? Minus 0.392 meter. Okay, means negative sign. Why do you get negative sign here? Because of MD, RD, LD is radially inward. So how do you say radially inward here? O dash to A dash upward, A dash to B dash right side here, B dash to O dash, it comes here what? Downward, right? So at the same time, see that this is centrifugal force acting radially outward here. So here radially inward, so not outward. See the space diagram here. D is where is located here, D is located here. From this D is moves radially outward like this. But when you draw the couple polygon, it moves radially inward towards the O. That's the arrow mark shows here. That's why you get negative value. Similarly, go for vector B dash O dash MARALA, that is 7.2 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 kg meter square. Multiply. Again, see that MARALA, it acts here downward. When you go for draw the space diagram also, 235 degree here, MA, it acts here what direction? Radially outward, downward direction, centrifugal force. Okay? Yes. Now try to solve this. LA will get 922 millimeter. Next, transfer that into polygon. Okay, so now I will stop here. Next class I will discuss. Okay, I will end this meeting also. Okay, thank you for attending class. If you have doubts, if you can meet me or you can call me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will end this session. Thank you, one another.